Surface area and volume, class 10th, chapter 12, exercise 12.1. एक्सरसाइज 12.1 इस एक्सरसाइज से मैक्सिमम लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। तो एक्सरसाइज है सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम मेंसुरेशन, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं मेंसुरेशन। मेंसुरेशंस के चैप्टर्स में ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और ये क्वेश्चन क्लास 10 का। इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्वेश्चन है ए मेडिसिन कैप्सूल इज इन द शेप ऑफ ए cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. क्वेश्चंस के हम फिगर को ड्रा करेंगे, उसके बाद इसका सॉल्यूशन करेंगे। A medicine capsule. Draw a medicine capsule. This is a medicine capsule. Medicine capsule. Medicine capsule is the shape of a diameter, length of, ये देखा है, the entire capsule is 14 mm. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. 14 mm. 14 mm. And the diameter of the capsule. Diameter of the capsule. Diameter of the capsule diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Is 5 mm. 5 mm. I can be observed that I can be observed that this is the cylindrical portion. The capsule is making from two solid shapes, spherical hemisphere. This is the hemispherical part, and this shape is cylindrical part. The radius of the hemisphere, total diameter of the cylinder, ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, and the diameter of the capsule. Diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. This radius of the capsule or radius of the hemisphere is 5/2. And height of the hemisphere is 5/2. Height of the capsule is 5/2 and radius of the capsule is 5/2. This is 5/2. 5/2. I can be observed that radius of cylindrical part is equal to radius of hemispherical part. Hemispherical part is equal to 5/2 mm. 5/2. Radius of cylindrical part is equal to radius of hemispherical part by equal to 5/2. Overall 5/2. 5/2 and 5/2. Radius of cylindrical part is equal to 5/2. Radius of hemispherical part is equal to 5/2 mm. क्या इसमें करेंगे सिर्फ 5/2 mm. 5/2 mm. Next, height of the cylindrical part. Height of the cylindrical part is equal to 5/2 and 5/2 is equal to total 5, and entire length of the capsule is 14. 14 minus 2 into 5/2 is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 mm. 9 mm. Height of the cylindrical part is equal to 9 mm. Height of the hemispherical part and height of the hemispherical part is equal to height of the hemispherical part 5/2 is equal to radius of the hemispherical part 5/2 mm. क्वेश्चन में लास्ट में पूछ रखा है फाइंड द इट्स सरफेस एरिया. फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया of the capsule. Surface area of the capsule is equal to CSC, curved surface area of the cylindrical part, and curved surface area of hemispherical parts. यानी hemispherical part, first hemispherical part and second hemispherical part are equal. Therefore, two hemispherical part. Curved surface area of two hemispherical part. Therefore, curved surface area CSA of the cylindrical part plus 2 into CSA of the hemispherical part. Putting the value of all formulas. CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of hemispherical part 2 into CSA of hemispherical part 2 pi R square. 2 pi R square. Overall 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus 2 to the 4 pi R square. 4 pi R square. Now putting the value pi is equal to 22/7. Use pi is equal to 22/7. 2 into 22/7 into radius of cylindrical 5/2 into height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is equal to 9 mm. 9 plus 4 into 22/7 into radius 5/2 का square into 5/2 into 5/2. 2 to 4 and 2 is to cancel out. 22/7, 5 and 5 overall common 22/7 into 5. 22/7 and 5 cancel out, only 9 plus 22 by 7 into 5, cancel out, only 5. Implies that 22 by 7 multiply 5 into 14. 7 to ja is equal to 22 into 5 to ja 10. यूनिट होगा आपका mm स्क्वायर, इसमें यूनिट नोट करेंगे mm स्क्वायर, mm स्क्वायर is mm square and mm square. Mm square is equal to, implies that is equal to 220 mm square. You will get this answer. And surface area of the capsule. Surface area of the capsule. You will get this answer.